What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning into my channel. We have a different setup going on today. As you guys can see, this is a little awkward for me because I'm going to be talking to myself in the mirror, but talking to you guys in the camera. Hopefully the echo isn't too bad because I'm in my bathroom and we know bathrooms have echoes. I was gonna do this downstairs in my beauty space, but it's a lot of junk down there right now. So this is what we're gonna have to get going. I'm about to do my hair. Have not done a hair video in ages on my channel. So I wanted to share me doing something different because I've actually just been rocking a lot of twist outs, braid outs, and even wash and go. So I have tons of videos showing you guys how I do that on my channel. So I wasn't gonna keep filming the same type of video over and over. But I had the brilliant idea to try smedium twists on my hair. Not mini twists, but it's kind of like smedium because we're not doing super small. I want some type of protective style that I can do and keep it twisted up for the entire week. So jumping right in, I've already shampooed, deep conditioned my hair, and I rinsed the deep conditioner out. I'm letting it dry a little bit with this t-shirt on top just because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet when I do it because shrinkage is real and I'm trying to have a little bit of length with these twists. So the two products I'm going to be using to install the twists are from my girl Michelle's line, Everything Miche, here on YouTube. The name of her line is Miche Beauty. I've reviewed her products before on my channel, so I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. But I'm going to be using her Lavish leave-in conditioner. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this stuff right here. I use it for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes. Pretty much anything that I do to my hair, I use this leave-in with it. And to install the twist for extra moisture and hydration, I'm using her Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. This stuff right here is so good. Absolutely love it. I use this for all of my twisted styles. I've even used it for a wash and go, and it's just super moisturizing. And as you guys can see, I am almost out. We're gonna jump into it. I don't want this to be a super chatty video. I'm just gonna talk to you guys a little bit about how I'm gonna go about doing the twist, and then I'll come back when it's all done. So I'm just gonna apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner on each half of my hair, focusing it mostly on my ends because that's the driest part of our hair. Then I'm just gently brushing through it to make sure that it's evenly distributed. I might end up dampening my ends a little bit more because my hair is drying quickly and I don't want to be, brushing on dry hair. That causes extra damage. All right, so now that the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner is in, I think I'm gonna start in the back of my hair, and I'm not doing straight parts or anything. I'm just gonna be grabbing and doing decent sized pieces just because I'm not into that whole, it has to be perfect. That takes so much time. I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of time on my hair. See, the part is not straight, but it's okay. And I'm probably gonna get 4 or 5 twists back here. Just take small sections or medium size sections. Probably like that large, and twist it up. I'm gonna apply a very small amount of the twisting butter. Like I said, focusing mostly on my ends. Brush through with my Denman just to make sure it's evenly distributed, and then twist it up. Now, I might do something where I do this little motion here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like in my right finger, I'm twisting and then twisting. Like I'm twisting the single strand by itself and then twisting it over. Kind of like how you do Marley twists, or how I do my Marley twist, to make sure that they stay nice and twisted and look rope-like. All right, you guys, I just wanted to interject here really quick because I took out a lot of footage here and sped this part up because I ended up changing my mind and deciding not to do this whole rope technique, and I'm so glad that I changed. So you guys are going to see a little bit after this part that I went and just did 2-strand twists, and it ended up turning out a lot better. So just like forget this part ever happened in the video. Okay, back to the regular video. I think I'm just gonna do regular twists. Yeah. So let me redo this one and then continue on. And so this video isn't so boring. I'm gonna do most of my hair and then come back on and let you guys see how it looks, because I don't know. I'm a little doubtful about how this is gonna look on me. I don't know how I'm gonna style these at all. I just hope they come out looking cute and I don't waste my time doing all of this. All right, you guys, so I'm back and pretty much done. I just have one more to complete in the front, and they're already starting to dry and spring up. Not looking too bad. I was actually a little bit nervous part of the way through, but it's been going really good actually. And I did choose to, in the front, to try to do a little bit better in terms of my parting, just because I feel like it's going to be seen more. And I've also added a little more water to dampen my hair a little bit more, because I realized that I do want these to shrink up a little bit more so it can be fluffier instead of doing it on almost dry hair or just damp hair. I think it's only taken me probably an hour to do all of these. I was of course watching Netflix and doing other stuff during this time, but they are looking nice and juicy. Of course, I'm gonna come back on and let you guys see it once it's completely dried. All right, you guys, what's up? It's the next day. I'm in the car getting ready to go in for my wax appointment. I couldn't do this at the house because I was kind of running a little bit late, or I thought I was gonna be late, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys my finished twists. Look at the juiciness of these twists, y'all. I am in love with them. It looks pretty full, so I don't have any issue with wearing it down. I do feel like I look like a little girl when I don't have makeup on or earrings, but that's okay. Not a big deal at all. I worked out with my hair today, and as you guys can see, there is no frizz or very minimal frizz, so I feel like this is going to hold up for most of the week, and if it does, then this is about to be my staple style and all of that. If you guys have any suggestions of other videos you want me to bring you that I don't already have on my channel, let me know that in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you were like, yay, a hair video finally, then give this video a thumbs up, show you girl some love. And also, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And also, while you're at it, hit that notifications bell right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I guess that is it. I'm about to head in here to my appointment. Hopefully I don't come out crying, but yeah, just wish me luck. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.